Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable ServiceNow integration to manage project requests in Wrike. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To enable ServiceNow integration to manage project requests in Wrike, begin by logging into your Wrike account. Navigate to the Workspace section in the top navigation bar. Locate the Integrations option in the left sidebar. Click on Integrations to view available options. Search for ServiceNow in the integration list. Select ServiceNow from the search results. Click the Install button to start the integration process. A configuration window will appear prompting you to input your ServiceNow details. Enter the ServiceNow instance URL in the specified field. Provide necessary credentials, such as username and password. Ensure the correct permissions are granted for the integration to function properly. After filling in the details, click on the Connect button. Wait for the integration to authenticate your information. Once connected, you will be directed to the integration setup screen. Here, customize the integration settings according to your project management needs. Define how project requests from ServiceNow will be mapped to Wrike tasks. Set up the categories and priorities you want to synchronize. Review all settings and verify that everything is configured correctly. Once satisfied, click the Save button to finalize the setup. You will receive a notification confirming that the integration is active. Now, navigate to your ServiceNow dashboard to create a new project request. Fill in the required fields, including project title, description, and any other necessary details. Submit the project request. Return to Wrike and navigate to your workspace. Check to see if the new project request appears in your Wrike task list. If everything is set up correctly, the project request should be visible. You can now manage the project request directly within Wrike. Monitor ongoing tasks and make updates as necessary to keep all stakeholders informed. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.